Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your text glow in Elementor. It only takes a couple of minutes to do, so sit back, relax, hit that like and subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay guys, to get things going we're going to start by adding a heading widget, and we do that by just dragging it onto our page. Whilst I'm here I'm going to quickly center align it as well. Now what you need to do is head over to my website where you'll find the code for the heading. You'll find that link in the top of the description. Highlight and copy that code and paste it into your title box. As you can see within the title box it says DIY Websites Pro. When it comes to adding your own text, this is where you need to paste it. Now what I'm going to do is go back into our widgets menu and I'm going to type in on the top left hand side search bar HTML. Once we've found it, I'm going to drag it onto the top of our page, and you can add this anywhere you like. Although you can see it within the page builder, you won't be able to see it on the front end of your final website. Now what we need to do is click on the Advanced tab in the top left hand side and scroll down to the bottom of the list where it says Custom CSS. To add custom CSS within Elementor, you will need Elementor Pro. There is a link for that in the top of the description. Now what you need to do is go back over to my website and copy the CSS part of the code. Once you've done that, head back over into Elementor and paste it into your custom CSS box. As you can see with our code added, our text has changed colour and our glow has taken effect. Any changes to the style, colour and the size of our text will have to be done within the CSS code. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the colour of our text, and we do that by going up to the top of our code where it says colour. And as I say, this is our text colour, so if we want to change it I'm going to go into Colorzilla and I'm going to choose pink. Now go into the hex colour underneath, highlight it and copy it. Now we're going to head back over to our CSS code and we're going to paste it in. Make sure to paste it in after the hash. As soon as you do, your text will change colour. I am going to quickly change it back to its original colour, and once I have I'm going to pick the video back up. The next thing you can change is the style of your text. Where it says font family in our code it says Arial underneath. This is where you can paste in your own style. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is change the size of your text. Go down to the font size in the code that you've copied and it will say 10 EM. This size is 12 and it's too big for our screen, so I'm going to change it back to 10. For your page you can make it as big or as small as you like. Now I'm going to show you how to change the timing of the animation glow. Going back to our code on the left hand side, a couple of lines down says animation duration. What you've seen in the video so far is set at 5, and what I'm going to do is change it to 10 in the code. By increasing the number it slows the glow down and it takes longer for it to change on the page. By lowering that number it will speed the glow up and change more frequently. The last thing and the most important thing I'm going to show you how to change now is the colour of your glows. So to do that we're going to go down to the bottom of our code where it says keyframe animate, and you'll see there that I've typed in white. This is only one of the 4 colours that are glowing on your screen. To find the other 3 colours all you're looking for is where it says 20px and the hex number after it, and it's these hex colours that are displayed on the screen. Whatever colour you want your glow to be, replace these numbers. For example, if I wanted to add yellow to our glow, all I have to do is remove this colour and type in yellow, and as you can see it's automatically added to our glow. All that's left for you to do is choose which colours you want to use on your site. So there you have it, that's how easy it is to add a glowing effect to your text in Elementor. Remember, you do need Elementor Pro to be able to add custom CSS to your page. If you haven't got Elementor Pro then please do use the link in the top of the description. It is an affiliate link, it doesn't cost you any more to use, but it does give me a very small percentage of Elementor's profits if you choose to sign up. If you have found this video useful please do hit that like and subscribe button. And if you've got any questions come and hit me up in the comments box below or on my blog. All those links can be found in the description below. That's it for this video, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.